Welcome to the Stella Maris tutorial. This tutorial we're finding scholarly articles in the Ebsco database. We're going to be using Google and Warringah Library e-collection. The search terms we're looking at are birth order. Doesn't matter what search terms, they're just the ones that two students are currently studying. Ebsco, which is similar to JSTOR, you need to use Google to find what articles are available. It's not as easily searched as Google, and so this is how I'm going to show you. First of all, we go to the Information Centre website and we click on to Encyclopedia and Databases. Now the reason we go to the database, Encyclopedia and Databases, is at the bottom here you can see we have Warringah and Manly Library. You have those cards and you have all of these websites available to you. Now, Ebsco is probably the most heavily used of the websites, but it is divided up into a variety of groups. So it's a bit like dividing up into drawers or into sections in the library. So you can see here we've got a Current Affairs Ebsco link. We have General Reference Ebsco link. Further down we have, I don't know what this multi-file is, for publishers, full text journals. But there are other Ebsco links that we look at health, history, science, there's a variety, English, you can see here down here we've got a science one. All right, so back here I'm going to click onto Google and we are going to find out what articles are available. Birth order, Ebsco. Right, so I had a look at these and I decided not to get this one. Where is it? Sometimes they have abstracts, which you don't want to use. That means it's just a short little description of them. That's not necessarily useful. I decided to have a look at this one, which is about an Iranian family. So this is birth order, family size, and positive psychological constructs. I saved that. What roles do they play for Iranians and young adults? Iranian adolescents and young adults. Right? So now I've got the title. I'm going to have a look at Ebsco. There, as I said, there's a number of Ebsco links. I previously looked up this article, and it was not available in ANZ Reference Centre Ebsco link because that tends to be more current affairs news. So I realised it's available in General Reference. If you're looking for science, you look in Science Reference Ebsco. If it doesn't always work, the first Ebsco link, then try an elsewhere. So I'm going to click on this one. This is what becomes available to you, and you put in your 7-digit Warringah Library card. If it's Manly card. If it's state card. Or national card. I did not do that because I didn't want you to see my card number. You will have your own card number saved. Once I've clicked on that entrance, the patron ID, and it accepts that this is what appears. And I am going to paste the title of the article and I will search, and it comes here, birth order. Now it's interesting here, so there's a bit more focus on Iranian adolescents, whereas the one we're just looking at is plain birth order. So for society and culture, you might look at birth order and what roles do they play for Iranians as opposed to Australians. All right, so I'm going to click on PDF full text. You can see here we've got birth order, family, parenting style, psychosomatic medicine, I think. I'm not sure. I would save this. I can also search it, and I'm going to put in order, or maybe birth. That will bring up. So I've got 3 of 3. That's not many, really. You can see there's also the abstract there that gives you an idea about what the story was about, and you can scroll your way through. Sometimes what is handy, I'm just going to see at the bottom, if they do, no, you have other books that are available to you. So sometimes looking at not only just looking at the article, it's looking at the footnotes and the references they use that might be useful for your own subjects. All right. Save this article with the others and work your way through them. Thank you very much for joining us at the Stella Maris tutorial.